Today you are going to discuss about the topic how to rank number one on Google search results, and I will let you know free tools which helps you to rank well in the Google search engine ranking position. The first tool which you are going to see is Google Search Console. Google Search Console will help you a lot to rank well in the Google search. The another tool, Google Analytics. This is the free tool which helps to give you access the complete traffic of your website. Another free tool of the Google is Google Trends, which helps you find what is the trends are going throughout the world, around the world. And another Google free tool is Google Structured Data Testing tool. This tool will helps you a lot to find schema, what kind of structured data has been implemented, whether it has been working or not, and it ends with any errors. It's very easy to access, and it's a free open source tool by the Google. Another most free tool is Google PageSpeed Insight Test tool. This tool will help you to find the loading time of your website or the page either through desktop or the mobile devices. So another best tool to find responsive design of your website is mobile website responsive test tool. So this tool will help you out to find the responsive design of your website on different platforms like either desktop, either desktop, either laptop, either tab, or either the mobile. So another free open source tool which is Scremming tool which helps you out to find the errors, what kind of errors we majorly come across within the page. Another best open source tool is Google GT Metrics tool. This tool also will help you out to find the mobile friendliness of your website and the loading time of your website. So another free open source tools will be Yoast SEO Plugins. These plugins is the free plugins which is available for the WordPress theme accessing websites. So